Hello everyone, we're the Human Power Submarine team at UCSD. We're a student-run organization made up of students across a diverse set of majors. We have people from chemistry to nanoengineering, and we welcome people with all experience levels. The only prerequisite for joining is an enthusiasm for a challenge and a drive to learn. We built a submarine big enough to fit 1 or 2 pilots, and those pilots drive the submarine with a bicycle-like drivetrain to compete in international races on the East Coast or in the UK every year. This year, we're implementing a tuna tail. Think of the competition as an underwater drag race or a cycling race. Now, we create a new submarine for each competition, and this gives new members the opportunity to go through the entire submarine building process every year. Coming into HPS, you'll have the opportunity to try your hand at many skills. You can explore knowledge from a range of sub-teams who all contribute to the overall project. They'll introduce themselves to you now.
This year, we decided to create a drivetrain which propels the sub with a fish-like tail. To begin design, we discuss and research methods to create the desired motion most efficiently. Next, we begin modeling our designs on SolidWorks, a widely used 3D modeling program, which we teach to new members. This year, we decided to create a variable frequency tail by changing gear ratios, which has never been done before. And after modeling our parts, we create the toolpaths and manufacturing documents to use when creating the parts we design.
It is then the machinist's job to develop a process that produces a part with the required specifications. Operating CNC machines with in-house generated toolpaths, working on manual mills and lathes, and 3D printing are just a few methods that machinists at HPS use to manufacture an award-winning drivetrain. The best part is, you get to see your concepts come to life.
So next we have HSI and steering, and the most important part about steering this year is going to be the transition between mechanical and electronic steering. This will entail collaboration with both the electronics and the drivetrain subteams in order to facilitate the digital and the mechanical aspects of this new steering system, which is also using a brand new design, a cyclidal gearbox. The HSI is the Human Submarine Interface, and this is all about pilot safety and ease of access to the sub while all of the components are inside of it. This includes entrance and access hatches, and also includes release mechanisms, both for external divers and for the pilot for their own safety. It also includes the dead man's buoy, which is a release that can show divers in the water when the pilot is in potential danger.
So the whole team is mainly in charge of designing the outer shell or contour of the submarine. With respect to design, whole design is pretty much a balance of making sure that everything fits, like the machinery and the pilot, while keeping the sub as small and hydrodynamic as possible. So if you like doing a lot of hands-on projects, whole team is definitely the team for you. With respect to the skills that you'll get while being on whole team, we do 3D CAD modeling in SolidWorks. We test it for hydrodynamics with some CFD simulation software such as COMSOL or ANSYS. And because the manufacturing process is very long, you will have a lot of experience working with various composites such as resins, fiberglass, etc.
With this electronics team, we work on the various electronic subcomponents in our submarine to optimize it. We use Arduinos and program in C++ to control these components and work on various projects including electronic steering, working on a variable pitch propeller to optimize the speed of our submarine, and other future planned projects.
Next, we have some other opportunities, and first on that is the dive team. And with the dive team, you can get a discounted scuba certification. And if you have a scuba certification, you know how good a discount can be. We have an exclusive deal with House of Scuba that includes good gear and good teachers that you should hop right on. Most action for the dive team is in the pool tests, and this includes both ensuring diver safety and keeping the sub neutrally buoyant by balancing it out with weights.
The documentation and media sub-team focuses on communicating information within and outside of the team, and it's a great way to learn about all the other sub-teams. One of our projects is managing and filling up a team wiki on GitHub. We make multimedia tutorials with text, pictures, and videos, and we also review and edit engineering drawings and technical reports. The other main project is creating and maintaining our own website, so definitely reach out if you're interested in web design and programming.